Okay, today folks, I want you to look at this. Is a multi-gang meter center. We have a cracked breaker here. I want you to look at this. This is the original breaker. It's been on here since, I believe the building was built in 1997. See, the handle's broken. So what we're going to do, we're going to put a brand new Square D 125 amp sub-panel breaker in. Should be a fairly simple process because I've got the right breaker to go in. Here's the breaker. See how cracked it is, just age. The other one should snap right in. Let's see here. It's already got what we call Deox on it. It keeps the stuff from corroding because this is aluminum. Aluminum does oxidize. Got to try to make sure everything's lined up good. Okay, and folks, that is pretty much it. So if you ever have any electrical problems, you need to talk about sub-panel feeds, meter centers, just give Jones Air Conditioning and Electrical a call, 239-596-5855. Thank you.